Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel once again. It's your boy Wati Forest. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys probably one of the most easiest forex trading world strategy using my live trade on card JPY. Okay, this is a live trade I give out on my Telegram group for free. Guys, you just need only a break of thought of structure and retest. Don't complicate anything, which I'll walk you live in this video. Okay, and guys, if you're not in my Telegram group, guys, honestly, you are missing, right? Because in my Telegram group, I do give trade that are entry level to make money for free, guys. The links are the comment section of the video and also at what description what of the video. Okay, so do your best to join us and make money with us for free, guys. Let's dive into the chat. So guys, let's go. And I'll walk guys through the Telegram group so you guys you can see the proof that what I gave out the signal using the same techniques and strategy. I'll walk you through in this video. Okay, so guys, let's go. Guys, we're going back to the chart soon, right? Let me walk you through the Telegram so you can see the proof I gave out the signal. You can see buy card GPY at what is setting level 105.541, right? You can see when I say to manage your risks properly, when I'm on profit on what on NZD what USD. So let's see, guys. You can see the card JPY moving, right? You can see it even hit the take profit level, but I did not update it. So guys, let's go back to the chart. Let me walk you through the live trade on what on the card JPY. Okay, guys, we are live on the chart, right? Remember, this is the word a card JPY live trade. As I said, guys, it's one of the most easiest strategy you can trade as a beginner. Okay, let's go. Now, guys, let me read the rule for you guys before we exceed forward. Okay, first thing you need to do, you need to identify your trend on on H4 or H3. Okay, when the higher time frame like the H4 or H3 is bullish or bearish, it gives you a strong barriers of where you are going to trade the market to. Okay, let's go. The second thing we need to a break of auto structure in the higher time frame, right? Like the H4 or H3 before you scale down to your lower time frame. Okay, now we need the pullback, right? A pullback is literally a face like this. Okay, let's say a pullback is literally a face like this. I'm going to show you guys everything live, taking the entry live with the replay too. Okay, so this is what they call a pullback. This move here is what we call a pullback. Okay, perfect. Now, right, the next thing we literally need is a first buying attempt. Since we are buying, right, then we will plot our zone for our POI. Okay, we need the pullback again so that to literally clarify the manipulation before we enter, because manipulation is a key thing for market makers, so we also use it as a key thing for retail trader to prevent our capital. Okay, now we have entry confirmation. So guys, let's dive in on this live now. So guys, let's go. The first thing you need to do is to identify your trend, right? A simple trick I can tell you to use to identify a trend is just look at a line, a trend line. Maybe you plot two basic areas like this. You can see from this definition, we only see that the market is what is trending to the upside. Why? You can see the series of of highs, low, high, low, and highs. Maybe we have a lower low, then price make a big high like this. So guys, with this automatically I already know that what the market is what is trending to the upside. And in an uptrend, what I normally do, I just buy, right? Why? Because I'm in the safer place. I'm trading with with the economical influence. Sorry, with the economical influence. Okay, so the economic influence the market to its own direction. Okay, so now the next thing already identify a trend is to we need a break of of structure, right? Now, which structure have you seen break? We have this structure broken here. We have this key structure broken here, right? Boom, perfect. When plotting your zones, then we have a structure broken like this, right? Let me draw another one before I'll show you guys a tip on how to plot your zone to avoid unnecessary loss. Okay, then what you have another one like this. Now you may ask me that, sir, why did you have two zones like this? Okay, now if I zoom out from here, make sure you understand what I'm saying. If I zoom out from here, you can see a space between these two level here. You can see a space this week from here to here, right? You can see this space. Let me adjust the zone properly. Okay, let me adjust the zone. Let me take this out. Guys, patience. Okay, yeah. So let's just cover the top of this week. If guys we okay, let's go. You can see from here, this level it's what independent on it from the body to the week, from the body to the week. So we have space. Since you have space like this, it indicates that what an independent zone on its own. So each one stands on its own. Okay, so guys, let's go. Now at this point, I want a pullback, right? Since I already have a break of what of structure. When a candlestick break like this indicates a very strong breakout. Okay, then what did you need next? You need a pullback to your zone. Okay, you need a pullback to your zone. So let's push price to see if we get ourselves a pullback, right? Let's push price and see. We got ourselves a pullback. Let's see. Boom. So guys, at this point we can see price just pull back towards our zone. So when I see something like this, the next thing I normally do is to go into the H1 time frame, right? In the H1 time frame, that's where I start to read my market manipulation pattern. Okay, so guys, let's go to the H1 time frame, right? So let's go to the H. Okay, so guys, cool, we are in the H1 time frame, right? Perfectly. Now let's zoom out clearly so you guys will understand the entry beyond this particular trade. Okay, you can see it's the same market analysis, the same trade. Okay, you can see. So guys, crazy. Now you can see at this point I'm just waiting for for price to make a first buying attempt. What did I literally mean by a first buying attempt? This is a market phase that indicate that the strong buying attempt will occur at this particular level. Let's say something like this. We need something like this, right? Because when you see a leg like this is what market will likely buy, just like this a big green candle you are seeing here. But this one did not occur in our zone, so we will just ignore it, except we are trading in liquidity above zone. Okay, so guys, now let's see if we got ourselves a face like this. So if we don't have, we need to go to the other zone. Okay, let's see. Let's continue to push price. Let's continue to push price. Let's see. You can see we did not see there, right? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, guys, crazy. You can see we just got ourselves a perfect first leg, right? At this place, you can see a perfect first leg. And if you know how to read price and you watch my recent video I just posted about fake breakout, you can see the market literally break out of this zone in the H1 time frame, then give us a tweezer candle immediately with the same body, right, to tell you that this zone is still valid, right? So if you did not watch my previous videos about the fake breakout, please go and watch it. It will educate you more. The video before this particular video, okay, very educative video about fake breakout. So guys, let's go. Now the next thing you need is literally a pullback, right? We need a pullback so we can plot our POI. So for me to plot my POI, I do use the line and a zone to plot my POI, okay, for this particular trade. So let me plot it for you guys. Right now, the use of this first buying attempt, as I said, is just to tell you that the market will likely buy from this zone, right? The market will likely buy from this zone. So guys, let's plot it like this. Let's change the color. Okay, let's change the color. Stroke. Let's change the color. Okay, sorry. Okay, guys, we are live back right now. As you can clearly see, what happened, I already have my zone. Right now, why did I draw this zone here? This is a very important place, guys. Make sure you stick to the end, guys, because the entry confirmation is very important. Okay, now, and guys, if you are picking value in this video, make sure you ask me any question, you hit the like and also share the video. Okay, let's go. Now guys, clearly what are you seeing? You can see I just plotted from the body to the week. Why am I plotting it from the body to the week? Now, the week is a very, very important side. Why? Because this is the last place that what the stop loss of these guys who came in, that the market will be, right? So since this is the last place at this point, then you know that okay, you are going to put your stop loss below this range, right? But you can also put your stop loss at the word change of trend of the second leg, which this is what I use in this particular video, but it's not risky, right? If you want to have a good win rate, a high win rate, if you're putting your stop loss here, guys, you have a less manipulation. That's just the truth. Okay, so guys, let's continue to push. Now let's push price and see, right? Let's go to push price and see. So let me show you guys something very powerful here. You can see now, putting the line chart, you can see the line chart indicate that what this place is the last place that the buyers go in, right? So this is, let's go back to the candlestick chart again. Perfect. Now we need a pullback. So let's see if we get ourselves a pullback. Let's see. We want a pullback to our zone. Okay, let's see, guys. You need to be patient, guys. You can see you need to be patient. Immediately when you get a setup like this, guy, it's a banger, right? Let's continue to push price and see. You can see patient pays. Now let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, boom. So guys, you can just see we got ourselves a perfect entry, right? You can see we got ourselves we got ourselves a pullback towards our zone. So let's go back to the 15 minutes so the 5 minute time frame to see how to read this particular trend, right? Because if you go to the 5 minute time frame, you will notice that this is a trend that bring price to your POI, because this is now your point of interest for entry. So this is where I got myself the entry. Okay, so we are going to go back to the 15 minute time frame to read this particular market and see how we'll get ourselves a perfect entry. Okay, let's go to the 5 minute time frame. Sorry, this is where I got myself the entry. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, so guys, we are in the we are in the 5 minute time frame, right? You can see this is the same setup, right? You can see we are in the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so let me zoom out, guys. Let you guys see how I got myself the entry. Okay, now you can see clearly what are you seeing here. You can see the market gave us a very beautiful inner time frame reversal pattern, right? When you see a pattern like this, right, I told you guys this is one of the most strongest entry confirmation model you can use in the 5 minute time frame. Now when you see a pattern like this, you are waiting for price to break out like this. This is indicate a shift in price. Why did I say so? You can see this is a trend. Remember, this is a trend in the 5 minute time frame. Okay, this is a trend in the 5 minute time frame. This is a trend. This is a trend. So since this is a trend, you need to understand where the market is a change in the 5 minute time frame. That will become your buy side entry confirmation, right? Because it's a bearish trend. Okay, so guys, this is it. Now let's push price and see if we got ourselves that break. Okay, so guys, continue to push price and see. Okay, guys, let me zoom out. Sorry, let me zoom out. Okay, be patient. Let me zoom out. I want you guys to really get this thing perfectly, because entry confirmation is what will save you 90% of time in the forex industry. So let's go. Yes, we are pushing price. Let's see, guys, if we got ourselves a break. You can see price is just rejecting, right? Price is just rejecting. So guys, at this point, this is not yet a break, right? I'm showing you guys this for free. This is not yet, guys. If you are not like and subscribe, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and also share, drop a comment. Okay, now you can see price is just rejecting. Guys, don't buy, right? Because this rejection you are seeing here, so can literally drive market down to the downside to take out this stop loss. Okay, so some people are already in, but you need to be patient. That's where you have the nice trade with a very good win rate. Okay, so guys, let's continue to push. This is a live trade I took, remember, right? Let's continue to push. Let's see. Boom. So guys, you can see we just got ourselves a perfect break, right? You just got ourselves a perfect break. Now why? This is now that the market likely would break out, right? So since now the market likely break out, you can't just enter immediately. What you need to do, you need to what, use the limit order. Okay, use the limit order to enter, because price would break out of your zone with a what, a big range, right? So this is where I give them the entry confirmation. Okay, so guys, let's put our what, our risk to reward 2 and wait for price to pick us. Then we just get ourselves a what, a perfect 1:2.5 or what, 1:3. But for me, I go for what, 1:2.5. Okay, with good win rate, I'm always so profitable. So let's go from here. I think from this level, I gave out the entry. Okay, let's push price and see if we got ourselves a peak. So let's go. Boom, 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 boom. So guys, boom. So guys, you can just see price just what pick me, right? You can see. So let me join the risk to reward. So I just put my stop loss below this range. I go for 1:2.5, and real quick, the market even go to 1:3. So if you're that type that used to hold your trade for a longer risk to reward, for me, I just prefer 1:2, and I'm consistent with it. So let's push the price and see. So guys, let's see from there. I think the market just went direct towards our take profits. I'll see. So guys, you can see the market just what went towards our take profit. Okay, so guys, this is it for this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and also share. Okay, so this is the 5-minute time frame, you can see. So that's crazy, guys. That's crazy. You can see TP hits, right? So guys, this is it for this video. Let's meet in another video. Okay, let's go.